Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of the disappearance of the call icon in phones. A very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then click on the main screen and background. Then click on the main screen settings. Then here you will find the main screen layout. Click on it. Then choose 6x4. If you have the same thing, choose 5x5. The important thing is that you change these settings. After that, you restart your phone and see if the problem has been solved. If the problem is not solved, then that's okay. Then you go to the main screen style. After that, you choose the standard style. If you have a standard style, choose the application drawer style. And so on. Now, if the problem does not go away, you go back again. Then go to the settings. Then go to the applications. Then go to the applications again. After that, you click on 3 small dots above here, then click on Reset App Preferences, then click on Reset. We will reset the default app preferences to the default settings, and thus the problem will be solved for you, but you have to restart your phone. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, or any suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.